Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance.
Hey guys, it's Kayleigh. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be getting ready with you guys, taking you through a very simple date night look. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you happen to like this video, I would appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up. My boyfriend Matt was taking me out to get some dinner and I wanted to dress up and film it for you guys. So the very first thing that I do is pick out my outfit. And then from there, I usually come up with my makeup and the jewelry I'm gonna wear, what perfume I'm gonna use. Like everything stems from my outfit first. Today's video is sponsored by Scentbird. Finding the right fragrance is also a very huge part of the complete look, and I've been really loving this one from Badgley Mishka. It's a very light, wearable, everyday, florally type of scent. I'll have the link below. If you guys click on that, you can sign up too. It is only $15 a month, and if you use the coupon code they gave me, which is KN30, you can get 30% off your first perfume, which comes with a full 30-day supply, so you guys will be good for the entire month. Moving on to the makeup, I first like to prep my skin with the Urban Decay Rebound. It's a collagen-infused complexion prep priming spray. Just makes my skin look nice and radiant. And then I go over that with serum from Hey Honey. It's called the Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. And it really just helps to hydrate my skin and get it ready for foundation. Applying the CoverGirl Illuminating Primer all over my skin so that I can get a nice glow, and this also just helps my foundation to last longer throughout the day. And lastly, I applied Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid in Prosecco Pop only to the high points of my face. And I did this because I am going to be highlighting here after all the makeup is on, and I just really wanted these areas of my face to pop more. My nose is so red and I just have like a lot of sun damage in that area. Also, there's a lot of acne scars that you guys probably can't see, but I can see in person that definitely need covering. And this Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in 6.5 Buttermilk definitely does that for me. So I don't apply this all over, basically only where I really need it. And I always like to just pat this in with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And as for foundation today, I did a mixture of pearl and light beige from the Too Faced Born This Way collection. I gotta say, this has definitely become my favorite foundation because it just looks so freaking flawless on the skin. Like once you're done putting all your makeup on, everything's set in place, and you just go look in your mirror, it's like, man, my foundation looks so good. So I'm really, really loving this one. I applied a decent amount of it all over my face. I wanted a full coverage look tonight. That's what I was going for. I didn't want to see any imperfections. I wanted everything to be concealed. I love it because it is oil-free, and the primer I used is also oil-free, so I don't have to worry about any breakouts happening while I'm wearing this makeup. And also it just feels really lightweight and gives you like a nice poreless look. So I'm all about that foundation and primer combo. As for concealer, I used a combination of light bisque first under the eyes because it has sort of a peachy tone to correct dark circles, and then light natural over top to brighten. And this is the Catrice Cosmetics Liquid Camouflage Concealer. And I just dabbed it in with my Real Techniques blending sponge. Definitely one of my most hydrating concealers, and I also love how full coverage it is as well. And this is the first time I've ever used this Fit Me powder. I think it's in translucent from Maybelline. I've just heard so many people raving about it in the past. I was really impressed by this, and it set my under eyes so well, and I didn't have any issues with creasing or looking oily throughout the day, or throughout the night, I guess. So I really loved it. Also from Maybelline, the foundation stick, and this is in Deep, I believe. So it's like one of the darker shades, and I like to use this to contour my cheekbones, my nose, and also my jawline. However, I didn't realize how freaking pale I am right now. I really need to get some sun, and this shade usually works well on me when I am tan, so it definitely looks a little dark throughout this video, but at the end of the video you guys will see I really blended this out with some powder and it lightened it up a bit so it wasn't as crazy of a contour. And also my fluorescent, like, I feel like the makeup looks so different under the fluorescent lights versus, you know, just in my hallway where I filmed the intro. Lighting makes a huge difference with how makeup looks. It is a cream to powder finish, so all I did was just applied it with a brush and then patted it in with my blending sponge. Zooming into the eyes now, I'm using the Gilded palette from OFRA Cosmetics, the collaboration with Francesca Tola. And I'm picking up that bronzy shade and applying it to the crease, going from inner to outer corner and really making sure to wing this out. I'm blowing it out because I wanted it to be really smoky and sultry. And over that, literally in like the same areas, but kind of focusing more towards the outer portion of the crease, I'm applying that darker bronzy shade. The first one has like a little bit of shimmer in it. It's kind of more like a satin finish, and then the other one is more matte. Love the combination of both blended together. It's this beautiful, warm, kind of orangey tone. And then I went through and blended out the edges with a clean blending brush just to make sure that I didn't have any harsh lines and that it was, you know, just nice and blended and looked more on the natural side. So once I was done smoking that out, I decided in the very center of the lid that I wanted to pat on this really bright, kind of like neon orangey pink shade. Well, I guess it's more like a coral. It is so stunning. It's very intense though, so I decided to apply it with my fingertip and kind of massage it and really work it onto the lid, going from the lash line up kind of into the crease. And after I did that first like initial layer, then I went through and picked up more on my fingertip and just patted on top of it. So massage the first layer in and then pat the second layer on top for more intensity and even more pigmentation. Going in now with my tiny little pinky finger here, I'm picking up that really bright shimmery pink shade from the palette and popping this on right in the center of the lid and kind of blending it into that orangey coral shade. I use the warmth of my finger. Really, anytime I'm doing shadows on the lid, like I'm always using my finger. Like sometimes I'll try and look professional, you know, and use a brush for tutorials' sake, but like on a daily basis when I'm getting ready, I'm not kidding you, I always use my fingers for my lid. So I did a little bit more blending with a clean shadow brush. This is from Ciat London. It's called the Stamp and Drag. I believe it's only available on their website though, but it really is so easy to create fast, quick, dark black wings with. Absolutely love it. The formula is very long lasting as well. Lashes are by Kiss in the style Ritzy. And I went through with the same bronzer that I used on my eyes on my face. That's definitely something that I really like to do so that I can make sure the entire makeup look is matching. A mixture of all three shades from that Tarte blush palette. Put that on the apples of my cheeks. Did a little Cover FX illuminating spray to get my face prepped for the highlighter, which was Anastasia Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dip. That mixed the two lightest shades together. Applied that to the top of my cheekbones, also down the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, inner corner of my eyes, above the eyebrows on the forehead, a little bit on the tip of my chin, Cupid's bow, basically anywhere that I wanted the light to hit and just look really pretty and glowy. And because we used all those illuminating products underneath our foundation, it's just really going to pop even more than it usually would. Back to the eyes, I'm again going through with a mixture of those two bronzer shades and applying it through the entire lash line and also really winging it out and blowing it out up towards the top eyeshadows on the top lid because I just wanted it to connect and just be really smoked out. And then afterwards I used the corally shade on the inner part of the lower lash line, a little bit of the pink in the center. So before I do mascara on the bottom lashes, I always like to finish my makeup first, like do my lips, set everything in place with my spray, and then do lashes or mascara last. Otherwise, my mascara smears. So for the lips, I used Kokie Cosmetics lip liner in warm nude. I was going for like a warm nude kind of lip. This one's so good, lasts all day, easy to use. You guys have already seen me use these Kokie Cosmetics lip liners like a million times already. They really are so good and cheap and affordable. I think you can get them at Walmart. Then the Too Faced Send Nudes lipstick and also Skinny Dippin'. So I use Skinny Dippin' first, then Send Nudes in the middle, and finished with a little bit of e.l.f. Cosmetics Prismatic Lip Gloss in Rose Quartz. And that completes the makeup. Did a little bit of Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. Definitely the best for just really helping your makeup to last as long as possible. And then here you guys can see I'm doing the mascara. This is Smashbox Superfan. Did about 2 coats of this on the bottom lashes and also kind of touched up the falsies a bit and made sure that my natural lashes were blending in with them. And that is it. I finished the makeup. Thank the Lords. No, it actually didn't take me that long to get ready today. This is a look that I've done many times before when I'm going out, and so I just kind of like know the rhythm of things, and I can actually do it pretty quickly, even though I was filming it. For my hair, I only really focused on straightening out the tiny little pieces around my hairline that just love to curl up on me. I have naturally curly hair, and when I go to wash my body in the shower, even if I do wear a cap on my head and cover my hair completely, those little areas near my hairline will still curl up, and it literally infuriates me. But at least the rest of my hair is usually fine. So I just kind of really focused on straightening those out with my GHD straightener. I am wearing Luxy hair extensions in Blonde Balayage. I'll link them below. I have a coupon code for them as well. It is, I think, Luxy K, yeah, for $5 off. You can save some money there if you guys are interested in extensions. But yeah, these are so beautiful. Also popped on, yeah. I popped on these earrings from Forever 21. I just got them in. They're so huge. I've never worn hoop earrings this big before, and they're actually a little hard to put in because the like metal thing that goes through your ear is so long. Anyway, I managed to get them in. Thought they looked really cute, and teased my hair just a bit so it wasn't laying so flat on the top of my head, because I feel like when your hair is straight, it can tend to do that and it just loses a little bit of volume and life. So I did some teasing up there. Totally forgot to bake my nose, the sides of my nose, and I definitely do like to do that before I go out. I just feel it really like kind of snatches it more than if I hadn't done it. I don't know. It's just like, maybe it's just in my mind I'm thinking that I need to do it. But yeah, you guys saw I kind of cleaned up the contour a bit, blended it out with some translucent powder, and that completes the entire look now. Outfit details are Forever 21 jacket and skirt, and then the top is from Boohoo. Just wanted to say thank you guys again so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. And please leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful or you just liked it. Subscribe for more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will see you guys in my next video. And by the way, if anyone was wondering where we went and got sushi. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.